In order to change the headings on your privacy policy and headings that are potentially elsewhere, here's what we do. We go to Site Settings, and we'll go to Typography, and then we'll scroll down and we can see H1, which is your heading 1, which is your largest heading. This privacy policy, these headings are actually H2s, and so we can custom choose if we want them to be a different color. We can change the global color. If we want to choose a different font, we could, and I'll just do this so you can see the difference, and then you would save changes and you have your customized headings. Now this student does not want those things to happen because we already made changes to get these into the white, but that's how you would do it.